Hi guys, my name is Kayaditya and you're seeing our YouTube channel Game Hacker and Funny Videos. Here is my friend, his name is...
Hi guys, my name is Mohammad Abdul Khiza. So we are doing Hot Wheels hacking diamonds. So you see, let's go start.
So first of all you should open Lucky Patcher app. In that Lucky Patcher app you should open Hot Wheels Race Off game and open menu paths, create modified APK file, and you should click APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. After clicking that you should click rebuild the app. After some time now it is taking loading, or after some time it will not load. You should try again. After some time it will show the successful APK. I stopped this video because it will take full time. After completing it will show like this, and you should go to the file, uninstall and install. First of all you should uninstall this. Yes, you can go. It will show uninstall. After that you should click install. It will take some time. Please wait guys. It is installing guys, please wait.
So please wait for 2 minutes.
I am passing this video guys, please. So after installing you should click done. After clicking done you should go Lucky Patcher and launch app. I will show you how to hack also. So after opening the tab it will load. Please wait. See, it is loading. After some time it will start the game. When the music will come, it will start the game. See, now the music is going to start. See guys, I will play the game. See, sorry, You should go to the state in the game and you should click like this, and it will show auto repeat purchase. You should click, and that you should click yes, and see it included 53 there. After clicking that, it becomes 54. So please, if you like this video, please share and like and subscribe our videos. So please, if you subscribe our videos, we will give more and more hacking videos. So please, bye.